I guess I've always been pretty good. It's part of my job where to place my hand.
뉴욕의 한 잘나가는 아가씨 클로이.
Am I your secretary or am I your daughter?
그런 클로이를 지켜보고 있는 의사 캐서린.
Your last appointment's ready. Right. Thanks, Julie.
캐서린의 남편은 유명한 교수였고
A few of us would like to take you to dinner.
Thank you. I'd love today's my birthday. Get a flight back home in an hour.
그의 은퇴를 기념하기 위해 파티를 준비한 캐서린.
We used to run to his mommy's arms go. Hi, honey.
Are you home?
I'm gonna be a little late. Next flight isn't for 2 hours.
그런데 데이비드는 늦어버리고 쓸쓸함을 느끼는 캐서린.
I'm sorry.
I should have told you.
You should have.
But then it wouldn't have been a surprise.
I'll be a bit late again tonight.
Morning.
Hey, David.
Hey, Frank.
Are you okay?
The toilet paper.
I have some. Here you go.
You're such an asshole.
Yep.
You.
You're welcome.
클로이와 마주친 캐서린.
Find that waitress sexy?
Which one?
The one you were flirting with.
I was being friendly.
그리고 캐서린은 남편의 바람길을 확인하기 위해 클로이를 이용해 보기로 하죠. 클로이를 찾아온 캐서린.
Chardonnay, please.
Do you want to buy me a drink?
What do you like?
Why not?
What's your name?
It's Chloe.
My husband's cheating on me. I want to find out what he does. Present yourself to him.
Most of my clients are married.
He's not the client. Usually has lunch at the cafe. He's almost always reading the news.
클로이의 작업이 시작되고
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Can I borrow your shirt?
Sure.
It's okay.
He barely flirted. He was friendly.
How do you do this?
Find something to love in everybody. It's a small thing.
The money's in the envelope. I want to do this one more to what he does. We'll stop, okay?
Okay.
채팅 삼매경에 빠진 데이비드.
I need to see you, okay? This is... We'll just break up with each other like... Fuck, Mom!
Our little boy's being dumped.
You speak to him?
He doesn't talk to me.
Catherine, it's gonna be okay.
His girlfriend was sleeping over.
Remember what it was like. Hey,
We bought some sandwiches, and he stared at me.
And then what?
And then he asked me if he could kiss me.
결국 데이비드는 클로이와 선을 넘은 듯 했죠.
Do you want me to stop?
No.
We walked through this big exotic flowers. His mouth up to my lip there for a long time.
I shouldn't have involved you in this. I made a mistake.
He said to me, I can't come. I
I don't want to be rude. I want you to be. I know.
Oh,
clean.
no, I've got tests.
HIV, STDs.
Okay.
그런데 캐서린은 오히려 데이비드와 클로이의 모습을 상상하며 성적 흥분을 느끼죠.
Hi, Michael.
Your mom's still in with a.
이제 캐서린의 아들한테도 접근하는 클로이.
I'm Chloe Sweeney.
Michael. Stewart.
Nice to meet you.
Oh,
Here you go. Full workup.
that's my son. You didn't speak to him, did you?
To tell you about this afternoon
Today.
after lunch.
캐서린은 클로이가 있는 호텔에 도착하는데
Hello.
옷을 벗고 있는 클로이.
We met in the park again. He didn't bring sandwich. Checked into this room. Kissed me.
결국 클로이는 데이비드와 거사를 치르고 말았죠.
Do you want to count it?
No, it's okay.
What kind of perfume is that?
It's a lotion. Here. And one more thing. He said it's the first time he's ever...
I don't know whether to be relieved.
그런데 갑자기 캐서린에게 키스를 하는 클로이.
I can't.
아들의 연주회가 끝나고
Congratulations.
On.
Your beautiful son. What is that? You're wearing perfume.
It's lotion.
I like it.
Professor Stewart.
그런데 캐서린의 머릿속엔 온통 클로이 생각뿐이었죠. 결국 클로이의 옷을 벗기는 캐서린. 그렇게 두 사람도 선을 넘어버리고
You can stop here. Please don't see my husband again.
Hold on, I have something for you. I want you to have this. It used to be my mother's. I want you to have it. Do you want to see me again?
I don't know. Same neighborhood. I'll see you on the street. I'm
이제 되려 캐서린을 의심하는 데이비드.
Who is it? Are you in love?
If I were, would it make
Make a difference.
Oh my god.
캐서린을 협박하는 클로이.
This is Chloe.
Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
But we've taken this as far as.
I liked it.
Yeah, I liked it too. I can't say
I
that.
don't want this to be over.
You want money?
It's not about money.
Take care of everything.
This isn't a business thing. This is, and you know that.
This transaction, which is over.
캐서린은 클로이를 내쫓죠. 이제 캐서린의 아들로 목표를 변경하는 클로이.
Hey. CD that we talked about, Raised by Swans.
I downloaded all their albums already.
I hate the internet. I think it's private. I'll see you.
Told you not to call my husband.
I didn't call your husband. He called me.
Maybe in an hour. Cafe Diplomatico.
What's going on?
You want to order? I wanted to give you two things out straight. Tell each other everything.
I lied.
It started with a picnic in the park gardens and the conservatory. It was confusing. It made me feel closer to you. Become more beautiful every year. I felt so invisible, and so I slept with her.
그렇게 캐서린은 모든 사실을 털어놓고 데이비드와 화해하죠. 그런데 아들 홀로 있는 집에 오고만 클로이.
So show me around the house.
I'll still be here always. I'm sorry. Not trusting you. Hurry home.
Where's your parents' room?
클로이의 유혹이 시작되고
Be it morals. The transposition is tremendously. Michael?
결국 아들까지 감아버린 클로이.
Come on, let's go.
Michael?
You think you can just like that? And I would go and take care of myself?
God, I don't want you to hear this. Now, please go.
He's not yours. Your husband isn't yours. When you pay us and when you want us, when to dispose of us.
I understand I did this. You need to stay away from
I felt you and him. I actually think that he could be.
It's gonna be home any minute.
David, it's fine that it's working out for you.
Drive you home and we can talk there.
You liked it.
I'm gonna let you.
I want you to kiss me.
그렇게 모든 사건은 마무리되지만 캐서린 가족에겐 알 수 없는 상처가 남으며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 클로이였습니다. 1975년 알프스의 한 작은 마을. 사건이 일어나고
Ist eine dunkle Kraft in meiner schwächsten Stunde sehen, Besitz ergreift.
의문의 한 여인이 등장하죠. 그런데 갑자기 경찰 세바스찬에게 키스를 하는 여자.
Sie ist das Erdschnurr vom Messner und nicht sie, das kommt von der Höhenalp.
Danke, der muss ich auf die Höhenalp. Gott nicht lang.
Ganz ruhig.
세바스찬은 여자를 유치장에 가두고 홀로 씻을 산으로 향하죠. 그런데 비어있는 시슬산의 유일한 집.
Und? Alles in Ordnung. Sie sind am Jagen.
Die Blender.
여자는 왜인지 십자가를 지나치게 무서워했는데 목사는 그녀를 악마라고 주장하죠.
Vielleicht können Sie ja lesen oder schreiben.
한편 외지인이 시슬산에 찾아오고
Hermans, da de la Croix, freiwillige Landdienst.
Ah ja, das ist eine gute Lunge.
Glaub schon.
시슬산엔 농장주 에르윈과 그의 조카 알버트가 살고 있었죠.
Freut mich.
Hey, oh, von der Perez. Okay, eigentlich im Leben.
Kaffee im Napf.
Ah. Boah. Treibt halt nichts mit so einer Stabmagen.
Danke.
세바스찬에게 푹 빠진 여자.
Stumm geboren.
Nein, Wien im 64. Bruder verschüttet. Das einzige Kind gsi. Im Graben. Immer noch das einzige noch gelebt. Gesagt.
세바스찬은 여자의 신원을 확인하러 오고
Jetzt können wir den Rat zu der Vermissten.
Du musst dir etwas zeigen.
에르윈과 술을 마시는 마틴.
Drei Tote nach Jagd und unbekannte weibliche Person verschwunden, ermittelt der Kommissar.
여자는 지금으로부터 25년 전 사라진 여자와 똑 닮았죠.
Ich muss es da wieder. Hast nicht auf sie aufpassen. Danke.
(25년) 전 사건을 조사하던 형사를 만나러 온 세바스찬.
Das ist schon unheimlich. Der einzige ungelöste Fall in 40 Jahren.
Etwas über die Frau da.
Hauptverdächtige. Intensivverfahren auch nie gefunden.
Hast du das Männchen gemacht?
그때 갑자기 목사가 나타나 여자를 죽이려 하고 사라져버린 여자. 시슬산의 세 남자는 꽐라가 되어버리고 여자는 한 마을 주민의 집에 들어오죠.
Sebastian? Brot.
그런데 빵에 새겨진 십자가를 보고 공격적으로 변하는 여자. 즐겁게 술을 마시던 마틴은 갑자기 정색을 하는데
Auch schon zu besoffen, oder wirst jetzt Philosoph?
Wegen der freien Liebe, das hat meine Freundin glaubt.
Vergiss es am besten mit Frauen.
Da oben?
Ja, vor allem da oben. Es braucht ein Senatunci.
Das was?
Ein Senatral, wer macht das? Los, hol dir besser!
도대체 세넨툰치가 뭘까요? 사라진 여자를 찾는 세바스찬.
Wo ist sie?
아기를 유산해버린 여자.
Hau hat mein Kind geholt. Du willst helfen. Wie hast du denn keinen Zoll auf?
Das ist ja wahr. 3 Sennen auf einer Welt. Lora, sehnsüchtig aus einem Besen. Heute die Frau von ihren Träumen. Jetzt Erbarmen mit denen. Die Puppe lebendig. Senatunci.
세넨툰치는 알프스의 유명한 구전이었는데
Simsalabim.
술에 잔뜩 취한 이들은 이곳으로 도망쳐온 여자를 세넨툰치라고 착각하게 되죠. 유일하게 여자를 멀리하는 알버트. 한편 마을 사람들은 도망친 여자를 악마라고 확신하게 되고
Wir alle wissen, wer Schuld vor dem unschuldigen Kind. Zumal, dass die Frau mordet. Die schriftliche Eintrag über sie datiert tote Mönch im Piemont. Es geht weiter so. Und jetzt das. Sie ist wieder da. Das Kreuz wird mir Kraft geben.
Ja, das ist. Martin.
Erwin, das ist nicht der Absent gewesen.
Wie geht's nicht mehr?
Sie ist diese nicht unschied.
Von dieser Geschichte noch nicht erzählt. Die drehen ihren Spass mit ihrer Kahin. Bringt sie sie um alle.
Du das glaubst. Moi, Martha. Je m'appelle Martha. Das ist der Albert.
여자를 마을로 데려가려는 에르윈.
Bis warms auf den Weg. Kaffee?
그때 여자의 호기심이 유혹이라고 착각한 에르윈은 그만 그녀를 범해버리고 말죠.
Kommissar Martin, ich hätte noch eine Frage.
우연인지 운명인지 갑자기 돌연사한 과거의 경찰. 그리고 마틴은 사실 이곳에 도망쳐온 범죄자였죠.
Warum sind ihr noch da?
Sie will nicht gehen. Alles versucht.
Bringe ich sie aber.
Seht, kommt's gut gewinnt. Jetzt schon bei der Säuer Schlammlawine ins da. Kommen wir gerade wieder.
Ja, avec moi. Viens.
에르윈 몰래 여자를 도망시키려는 마틴.
Ils sont tout droit. Hey!
그런데 마틴도 갑자기 돌변하고 말죠.
Was machst du?
Gib mir das hohe Gewehr!
Das soll.
Bartani.
Du musst den Albert bewaffnen.
Was?
Er schon der nicht.
Sie jetzt will.
So.
Jetzt du!
Ja. Sie geht erst mal nach.
얼떨결에 같은 처지가 된 두 사람.
Wir ankommen.
Schon gut. Die erste Frau im Leben. Nur leider zu früh. Gottverdammt, jetzt machen wir etwas! Zeig dem Dieb das am Abend. So macht man das. Ein Frühzünder!
도망치는 알버트. 결국 두 사람은 또 일을 저질러 버리죠. 다시 세바스찬에게 온 여자. 세바스찬은 여자와 몰래 도망치려는데 잠복해 있던 마을 주민들.
Rush! Weg! Durch den Sandanschrieb.
에르윈의 가축들 모두 죽인 듯한 여자. 그런데 여자는 이곳에 숨어 있었죠.
C'est pas grave. Viens. Je vais me faire la malle.
Wo kommst du her?
Bin ihr nah? Fast gehen.
Wo?
Dort oben.
세바스찬은 목사가 그린 십자가 문양과 여자가 그렸던 십자가 그림을 보고 무언가를 깨닫는데 성당에서 비밀 공간을 발견한 세바스찬. 한편 마틴은 손부상으로 파상풍이 걸린 듯했고
Was hast
Blutvergiftung. Und die Polizei.
du? Die ab und zu jetzt.
Ja, die Polizei sucht mich.
Wieso?
Sie ist nicht abgehauen. Meine Freundin, die hat doch einen anderen gehabt. Ich habe sie erstochen.
범죄 사실을 고백하는 마틴.
Hol Absinth!
그때 여자가 알버트를 공격하고
Die Hase!
여자만 보고 술간에 불을 지르는 에르윈. 심각한 화상을 입은 알버트. 그렇게 알버트는 세상을 떠나죠. 여자를 제압하는 아르윈. 그때 세바스찬이 목사를 체포하는데
Ich weiß jetzt, warum die Frau da. Sie ist ihre Mutter. Und du hast sie geschwängert, bist ihr nach. Und hast die Akthütte angezogen. Leider ist sie davon gekommen.
3 unschuldige Männer sind verbrennt.
이 목사가 모든 사건의 원흉이었죠.
Von deinen Dämon hast du hast dich nicht um das an. Genau vor 6 Tagen hast du mich geschaut, wo er das erste Mal... Auch du bist selber schauen und hast nicht genommen. Später hast du gemacht.
Du hast die Akte dran von deinem Kind in den Tod getrieben.
세넨툰치 전설은 목사의 실화였네요.
Ich habe kein Licht gefunden.
Was machst du da?
다시 씻을 산으로 향하는 세바스찬. 에르윈은 여자를 죽이려는데
Nein! Minzero, in meiner Gegenwart stirbt.
결국 여자를 풀어주는 에르윈. 그때 여자가 에르윈을 찔러버리고 마티는 끝내 여자를 죽이지 못했는데 그로부터 약 일주일이 흐른 시간이 바로 지금인 것이었죠. 여자와 마음을 확인하는 세바스찬.
Danke.
그때 여자는 세바스찬에게 무언가를 보여주는데 죽은 새 남자에게 엽기적인 행각을 벌여놓은 여자. 결국 세바스찬도 여자를 악마 취급하게 되고 도망치려다 떨어져 버린 여자. 세바스찬은 죄책감에 스스로 목숨을 끊게 되죠. 그렇게 영화는 등장인물들이 모두 배드엔딩을 맞으며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 세넨툰치였습니다. 어디론가 걸어가는 한 여자. 그녀의 이름은 애니.
What is it that you want?
I want your work, your contracts.
You recommended another liquidation.
Pure wager. These other interested parties. I'll set them on one another like starfish through the bars.
애니는 프랭클린이라는 빅보스의 살인청부 업무를 도맡아 맡고 싶어 했는데 애니의 경쟁자 킬러 알프레드와 빈스가 등장하죠.
You've been in here all day and all night and suddenly you're putting your face on. Got a date later.
한편 시한부 판정을 받는 남자 빌이 등장하고
Have a pleasant trip.
빌은 애니가 일하는 카페에 오게 되죠.
Can't smoke in here.
We met before.
Do you need medicine?
Medicinal purposes.
애니는 아파 보이는 빌에게 관심을 갖게 되고
So, what's wrong with you? Is it cancer?
Has anyone ever introduced you to the... Are you sure we haven't met before?
I don't know.
얼마 전 이곳
Oi, bottle blonde. 2 teas.
What's the magic word?
Could I have one of your lovely looking sticks?
And drinks at the very least before you get your hands on.
Make some mean martini sugar plum.
Is there a remotest chance that you could possibly calm down a bit? The job's coming.
알프레드와 빈스는 애니가 보는 앞에서 새로운 살인 청구 미션을 확인하죠.
La Lapine Blanche. Well, I guess this is the place.
So where's this bunny then, eh?
You'll see.
You the famous bunny?
그런데 버니걸의 정체는 애니였고
Bottle blonde.
I'm just the middleman.
Miss Bunny, we'll be on our way.
Come back again soon, handsome. I'll even show you my tail.
Sniff of a whore's perf, you're in love.
I mean, well...
이야기는 다시 빌의 이야기로 돌아오죠.
Think of it this way. It's more a carte blanche. Open invitation to anarchy. Days on earth doing whatever you want. Smite to your heart's content. Matter because you'll be dead by Sunday.
What if I want to mope around in all night feeling sorry for myself?
Annie.
Bill.
한편 다시 빈스의 이야기.
Evening, Alfred. Been you'll catch something.
Can't say the same for you then.
You want to get your head in the game, mate? This was in the briefcase. I'm going to stretch my legs.
Hi, Mr. Franklin. I have an offer. Wait in the apartment life 7 days a week. Before you commence, I require one of you to attend the Fanny's Hall.
그렇게 빈스 홀로 프랭클린을 만나러 향하죠. 그런데 이곳에도 애니가 있었고
Evening, bottle blonde.
다시 애니를 만나러 온 알프레드.
Evening, gorgeous.
You're in trouble, Alfred.
I'm listening.
애니는 알프레드에게 빈스가 홀로 듣게 된 지령을 똑같이 들려주기 시작하죠.
Vincent, when your partners start to Margaret will be lured to this window. When you have executed the court view to kill your partner.
Why?
Loyalty I can buy.
Yeah, consider it done.
Where'd you get hold of that?
Stop it, Alfred. He's just the messenger.
Fuck off. Why should I trust you?
I like you.
I can't wait to have you one.
We are seeing 2 options.
Go on.
Option A, suicide.
C and B.
Assisted suicide. Peanuts to do it yourself. Get someone to do it for you.
I must say, I have explored the idea of...
Short, sticky and sweet. And bank it. Pushing.
Yeah, let's have it.
한편 긴장감이 흐르는 두 사람.
What's that up?
Come with me.
Where are we going?
애니는 비를 어디론가 데려가는데
What the hell is that?
An old ventilation shaft. Down and down.
You want me to jump in there?
I'm in a deep, dark hole. Perfect.
You are insane.
Right, you get close to the edge and then I can push
Listen,
it.
it's just out, okay? What the fuck was that?
What is the worst that could have happened?
Not like that. I do not...
What, Bill? Trains. All the same end product. Do you want to go at all? That's it.
하지만 빌은 용기가 없었죠.
How disappointing.
Disappointing. I am dying. All this is real. What are you, 3, 24? There's a fiddle, immortal? Nonsense. It's exactly that.
Go on, Bill.
All this death stuff started when Mummy died. Find it was easy to get attention if you kid with a heart of darkness.
그때 빌이 애니의 정체를 기억하게 되는데
We met before.
애니는 바로 빌이 보육원 원장 시절 학대하던 아이였죠.
Don't have the balls to kill yourself and you know exactly where you're going. These victims don't they, William?
그렇게 최후를 맞이하는 빌.
Yes, Mr. fucking Franklin.
한편 드디어 두 사람의 임무가 시작되는데
Where's the fucking target?
Taking a shot.
Shut up. What the fucking hell's she doing?
Gotcha.
이는 애니와 알프레드의 작전이었죠.
What the fucking hell's going on? This is what we call in the trade. Jesus Christ, kill me now.
You traitor, you.
You fucking... Is your doing in a boat?
Oh, yes, Vincent.
Mary, you're both mad, delusional.
Don't talk to us like that, handsome.
그렇게 사망하는 빈스.
Right. I need a shower and a change of taking you out to dinner. Cleaning service. The works, please, mate.
애니와 알프레드는 터미널에서 다시 만나고
Hi, handsome.
Strip a gear on onto that red car.
Wait right here.
쎄함을 감지한 알프레드.
Sugar plum.
Drop the gun where I can see them.
You never really liked me. No. Annie, as you consider.
그렇게 알프레드도 사망하죠.
Gave me a heart attack. Where'd you put Vincent?
After a fool such as this.
한편 청소부는 어디론가 향하는데 청소부가 바로 빅보스 프랭클린이었죠.
Yes.
It's done, Mr. Franklin. Are you suitably impressed, Mr.
Definitely.
So, this is the start of a beautiful relation.
Most definitely.
그런데 프랭클린을 기다리고 있던 애니.
What do you want?
사실 애니는 쌍둥이였죠. 프랭클린을 납치한 두 애니.
May we tell you a story? A long time ago, in a place not dissimilar, there lived a young woman, Chloe Merriweather. One night, in the aptly named, Chloe Merriweather succumbed to the wiles of one Clinton Sharp with aspirations of grandeur. Theirs was a knee-trembling relation. For a time, very little was heard of. A year or so later, she reappeared. But Chloe had a secret. She had two little girls, twins, the result of her passionate tryst. Daddy.
둘은 프랭클린의 딸이었죠.
Better than to involve Clinton in her daughter's life. Them hidden from the world on Clinton Sharp. One deep Chloe Merriweather you ought not to have seen.
애니의 엄마는 프랭클린의 살해 현장을 목격했고
Chloe Merriweather ran for her life. But it wasn't long in calling for Chloe.
애니의 집에 불을 질러버린 프랭클린.
Chloe saved her little girl.
그렇게 둘은 엄마를 잃게 됐죠.
And so it was we found ourselves taken into the mercy and kindness of their wandering hands and their sticky fingers. As soon as our legs would carry us, we ran.
성인이 된 후 터미널에서 프랭클린을 찾은 두 사람.
So we hunted you, Daddy. Discovered your clever little secret. Mr. Franklin.
You are my daughters, yeah?
Mummy has to be avenged.
Please, girls. I'll do anything.
I am your father!
No, little bottle, no!
그렇게 두 딸의 복수가 시작되고
Coup de grace yours, dear. Night, night, Daddy.
사망하는 프랭클린.
Perfect.
그렇게 애니 쌍둥이가 모든 복수를 성공적으로 마무리하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 터미널이었습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.